Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically focusing on AMP. As of the end of March 2024, AMP is trading at just over a penny. But hold on to your hats, folks. Long-term forecasts predict some exciting growth for this crypto, with prices expected to reach 3 cents by mid-2024 and soaring to 20 cents by 2032. Now imagine what that could mean for your crypto portfolio. Stay tuned to learn how this could potentially be a game changer in your crypto portfolio. Today on March 31st, 2024, the price of AMP stands at 1 cent and 0.6 of a cent. As we look back at the start of this year, the digital coin was valued at a mere 3.5 of a cent. That's indeed a significant jump, don't you think? It's a remarkable 207% increase to be exact. And that's not just a one-time surge. The AMP price has been consistently climbing, with updates coming in daily and price changes being recorded every 15 minutes. This constant pulse check keeps us all on our toes, doesn't it? It's like watching a suspense thriller. You never know what's coming next. And this rapid, steady growth, it's turning heads. AMP is no longer just another name in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies. It's becoming a beacon, a shining star catching the attention of many investors. With such growth, AMP is catching the attention of many investors. Let's delve into the short-term forecast for AMP. As we peer into the crystal ball of cryptocurrency, we see an intriguing picture for AMP. The year 2024 seems to be shaping up to be quite an exciting one for this digital asset. The current price of AMP as of the end of March stands at a modest 1 cent. But hold on to your hats, folks. The winds of change are blowing, and they're blowing in the direction of growth. By the middle of this year, 2024, the forecast predicts AMP to reach 3 cents. That's right, a threefold increase in just a few months. But the ride doesn't stop there. As we fast forward to the end of 2024, we see an even more impressive picture. The forecasted price for AMP by the end of the year is a whopping 4.14 cents. Now you might be thinking, 4 cents? That's not much. But let's put this into perspective. If you recall, AMP started this year at a humble price of 0.35 cents. If it reaches the forecasted price of 4.14 cents by the end of the year, that's an increase of a mind-boggling 1,097% from the beginning of the year. So what does this mean for you as an investor or a crypto enthusiast? It means that there's potential for significant growth in your investment if the forecasts hold true. It means that AMP could be a dark horse in the race of cryptocurrencies, quietly galloping towards a finish line of impressive returns. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, and AMP is no exception. But if you're willing to hold on tight and ride the waves, the potential rewards could be well worth it. The future looks bright in the short term for AMP, but what about the long term? Now, on to the long-term forecast for AMP. As we look beyond the immediate horizon, the predictions are exceptionally promising for AMP, painting a picture of steady growth and potential profitability. By the end of 2025, it's anticipated that AMP will reach a value of 7 cents. That's a significant leap from where we stand today, and it's just the beginning. As we move further into the future, the forecast becomes even more exciting. Fast forward to 2027, AMP is predicted to hit the 10 cents mark. This represents a steady climb, maintaining the upward momentum we've been seeing. This growth is not just a flash in the pan, but a consistent upward trajectory that's expected to continue in the years to come. Now let's zoom even further out. By 2032, AMP is forecasted to reach a staggering 20 cents. That's a 20-fold increase from its current price. It's a lofty goal, but one that's within reach if the current trends hold true. But before we get to 2032, there's another milestone to look forward to. By 2031, AMP is expected to hit just under 20 cents, at 19.59 cents to be precise. That's an increase of 1,743% from today's price. An incredible rise that showcases the potential that AMP holds for the future. To put it in perspective, if you were to invest in AMP today, and it reaches these predicted values, you could be looking at returns in the thousands of percent. That's a testament to the potential that AMP holds and the confidence experts have in its future performance. The long-term forecast suggests a promising future for AMP. These predictions, while they are just that, predictions, provide a glimpse into the potential of AMP. They act as a beacon, guiding investors towards a future where AMP might not just be a player, but a leader in the crypto market. With these forecasts in mind, the potential for AMP is clear. We've journeyed through the current landscape of AMP, noting its price as of today, a promising 10 cents and 6 tenths. From its humble beginnings this year at just under half a penny, we've seen a tremendous increase of over 200% year to date. We dove into the short-term forecast for AMP, an optimistic projection of it reaching 3 cents by mid-2024, and further still to around 4 cents by year's end. That's an anticipated increase of over 1,000% from the start of the year. We also ventured into the future, the long-term forecast. By the end of 2025, we might see AMP at 7 cents, 10 cents in 2027, and potentially doubling to 20 cents by 2032. That's an impressive increase of over 1,700% from today. For the savvy investors amongst us, these predictions offer a tantalizing prospect. Adding AMP to your portfolio could potentially yield significant returns over the coming years. But remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Always do your due diligence and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on Make Money Territory. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is full of opportunities. Until next time, keep exploring and keep investing.